Stop wasting time. This will change your life. The truth about time. Time, the most precious thing we have. Yet, every day, we waste it. Mindlessly scrolling, procrastinating, delaying our dreams. Have you ever asked yourself, what if today was your last day? Would you still waste your time? Today, I will show you how time is slipping away and how you can take back control of your life before it's too late. Why do we waste time? Procrastination psychology. Why do we avoid what we need to do? The comfort zone trap. How comfort is your biggest enemy. The social media distraction, the biggest time waster of our era. Let's start with the hard truth. We waste time because we are addicted to comfort. Did you know the human brain is wired for laziness? It always seeks pleasure over productivity. That's why social media, binge watching, and mindless entertainment feel so good, because they give instant gratification without effort. Example, imagine you have a big project due, but instead you open Instagram for just 5 minutes. Before you know it, 1 hour has passed. Sound familiar? That's because social media hijacks your dopamine system, making you feel productive when you're actually doing nothing. But what if I told you that you can rewire your brain to break free from time-wasting habits? The harsh reality of wasted time. Your life in numbers, breaking down the hours you waste, what the most successful people do differently, the ultimate wake-up call, regret, and time lost forever. Let's break it down. The average person spends 2 to 4 hours a day on their phone. That's 60 plus days per year gone. 5 hours watching TV or Netflix, that's 75 plus days per year wasted. Hitting the snooze button for 30 minutes daily, that's 7 extra days per year lost. In total, over 6 years of your life is wasted on things that don't matter. Now, think about this. If you used even half of that time to learn a skill, start a business, or improve yourself, where would you be in 5 years? How to stop wasting time immediately. The 3-step system to break free. The awareness method, identifying your biggest time wasters. The 5-minute rule, beating procrastination with a small action. The time blocking system, structuring your day for success. All right, now that you know how much time is slipping away, let's fix it. Step 1, the awareness method. Track every hour of your day for 3 days. Write down where your time goes. Find your biggest time leaks and eliminate them. Step 2, the 5-minute rule. Struggling to start? Tell yourself, I'll do this for just 5 minutes. 90% of the time you'll keep going because starting is the hardest part. Step 3, the time blocking system. Divide your day into focused 90-minute work blocks. Use deep work techniques to get more done in less time. Take breaks with purpose, not by scrolling social media. Success habits of highly productive people. How billionaires structure their day. The morning routine that increases focus. Why saying no is your superpower. Success secret. The world's top achievers don't have more time than you. They just use it differently. Examples. Elon Musk works in 5-minute time blocks to maximize productivity. Warren Buffett reads for 5 hours a day instead of wasting time. Steve Jobs simplified his life to focus only on what matters. What if you adopted even one of these habits Imagine how much you could achieve. Your 7-day challenge. Take action now. A 1-week challenge to change your life. Day 1. Identify and eliminate 3 major time wasters. Day 2. Use the 5-minute rule to start important tasks. Day 3. Block social media and focus on deep work. Day 4. Create a morning routine with no distractions. Day 5. Plan your day the night before. Day 6. Replace TV/scrolling with 30 minutes of self-improvement. Day 7. Review, adjust, and commit to long-term change. Your future self is waiting for you. The only question is, will you take action? Comment below. What's the one way you waste time and what will you do about it today? Like, share, and subscribe if you're ready to take control of your time and life.